Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to enable Steam Sync for Geforce Now. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Geforce app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen where you'll find the menu button. Click on it and from the options that appear, select Settings. This will open up your Geforce Now configuration panel where you can manage various aspects of the application. In the settings window, you'll see a left panel with different categories. Click on Connections. This section is where you'll manage all your gaming platform integrations, allowing Geforce Now to access your game libraries from different services. Now look for Steam in the list of available connections. Right beside it, you'll see a Connect button. Go ahead and click on it to initiate the linking process between your Geforce Now and Steam accounts. This connection is essential because it allows Geforce Now to sync with your Steam library and display all your compatible games. A new window will pop up, prompting you to enter your Steam account credentials. In the first field, enter your Steam account name. Then in the password field below, enter your password. Once you've filled in both fields, click the Sign In button to proceed. This authentication step ensures that only you can authorize the connection between these two platforms. After successfully signing in, you'll need to adjust your Steam privacy settings to complete the sync. In the upper right corner of the Steam window, click on your username. From the drop-down menu that appears, select View My Profile. This will take you to your Steam profile page where you can manage your public visibility settings. Once you're on your profile page, look to the right panel and click on Edit Profile. This opens up all the customization options for your Steam account, including the crucial privacy settings we need to modify. In the left panel of the Edit Profile section, click on Privacy Settings. This is where you control what information is visible to others and to connected services like Geforce Now. For the sync to work properly, certain information needs to be publicly accessible. Now look for My Profile and click the drop-down menu right beside it. From the options, select Public. This setting ensures that your basic profile information is accessible to Geforce Now for syncing purposes. Next, look for game details and click the drop-down menu right beside it. Select Public from the options. This is the most important step because it allows Geforce Now to see your Steam game library and sync all your compatible titles for cloud gaming. And that's it, you've successfully enabled Steam Sync for Geforce Now, and your game should now appear in your Geforce Now library. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.